Welcome back. Goa has received Geospatial World Excellence Award 2013 for settlement and land records Naksha, the land records portal, thus making Goa the first state in India to implement people-friendly land records management system. This is one of the systems which offers a citizen certified copies of land records and rights of any cadastral parcel in the state. CCP will resubmit its plan of pay parking along the Church Square and 18 June Road in Panaji. CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado said he would resubmit the plan within 2 days. He also mentioned that he would ask DPR of Comprehensive Mobility Plan for Panaji.
Panjikars and people visiting the capital city will have to shell out more now. Parking along the Church Square and 18 June Road will add revenues to CCP coffers while burdening the common man. CCP has decided to introduce pay parking along the two major city roads. CCP will resubmit pay parking plan within 2 days.
The Church Square and 18 June Road, these are the two places will be commencing pay parking very shortly. The moment our plans go to the collector and he notifies these places in the Gazette, then they will write to us and we will start the pay parking. Pay parking will be started in the above footing. I know the Corporation City of Panjim will be hurting a few business communities from 18 June Road. But we can't help. We have to see in the larger interests of the people of Panjim.
Surendra also said he would ask the consultant to devise the DPR for Comprehensive Mobility Plan for Panaji.
I have called the consultants, 23rd they are meeting me. I am going to ask them to revise the DPR. Because 6 years back the rates were different, now the rates have gone up. So I think from 800 crores it might go to 1000 crores. The moment the DPR is ready, I will send this DPR to the Honorable Chief Minister.
CCP is not in a position to resolve the Bangini garbage plant site issue. When Mayor was questioned on the proposed plant in Bangini, he said Chief Minister Parrikar would take a final call.
That garbage treatment plant, I left it to the Honorable Chief Minister. He is insisting that it should be in Bangini. The Bishop is saying that it should not be in Bangini. So let the Bishop and the Honorable Chief Minister decide whether they should have in Bangini or they should have somewhere else. This I leave it to the Honorable Chief Minister.
Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has said that investigation into the alleged negligence by the police inspector of Old Goa in Merce's murder case is on. Action will be taken on the basis of the investigation report. Meanwhile, SP of North Goa, who is investigating this matter, refused to lay down any time frame to complete the investigation. Probe of the double murder case is still being conducted by Old Goa PI Devendra.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar on Tuesday said that inter-departmental inquiry against PI of Old Goa Police Station is going on. Any decision will be taken once investigation is complete.
So there is an inquiry going on. You have to give time for that inquiry report to come at least.
SP of North Goa Vishram Borkar, who is conducting this inquiry, refused to comment on camera but said that some witnesses are still to be questioned regarding allegation made against PI Devendra. He also did not give any time frame to complete the investigation. It is being alleged that after the murder of Shivaji Naik, his wife Sujata Naik had approached PI Devendra requesting him to trace her missing husband, but Gard did not act. Later, Sujata Naik was also killed by accused Ramesh Bhagwe and Ozwan Fernandez. Accused duo had also attempted murder of their 2 kids, but luckily kids survived and the murder was unearthed. With reporter Mahesh Gadi, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
39 occupants of Tolsanzor have replied to the notices served by the administrator of Comunidad. However, 210 occupants of Motidungar at Margaon have asked for extension till 30th May to file their replies. Show cause notices were served to 252 occupants asking them why action should not be taken against them for constructing illegal structures on Comunidad land. The last day of filing replies was 19th May.
The administrator of Komdat, Margaon, तेंच्यानी आमकां परतून notice धाडले. Just only 42 houses. So they are, I think they are somewhere they bypassing us. Why they are not sent other people? Why only 42? And they had asked a reply within 15 days, and then immediately we have given a reply, and they have called for meeting on 4th. I don't know why. As per our regularization article 372A, for that this thing they have to regularize our files, because they all are pending with the Komdat. That is not our fault. They don't give proper justice for this 42 people. So we are forced to go to again High Court, and then if it doesn't get proper judgment over High Court, then we are going to Supreme Court also.
Earlier, Office of the Administrator of Kamirda South Zone had started serving fresh so-cause notices to 252 illegal encroachers at Moti Dongar and Tol Sanjor under the watchful eyes of police. However, Administrator of Kamirda South Zone Sangeeta Naik could not be contacted as she is on leave. A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.